हूँ अश्मित
और मैं हूँ गरिमा
एंड वेलकम टू आवर चैनल डैम्सेल्स इन स्टाइल। और ये है 9th एपिसोड इन फाइंड योर स्टाइल, जहाँ पे हम आपको बताएंगे हाउ टू एक्सेसराइज योर फेस विद ज्वेलरी। हम आपको आपकी फेस शेप के बारे में ऑलरेडी बता चुके हैं, हम आपको ये भी बता चुके हैं कि कौन सा हेयर स्टाइल आप पे सूट करेगा, एंड we've also told you what type of eyeglasses and sunglasses to buy according to your face shape. And now we come to the most exciting part.
and we're gonna tell you how to accessorize your face with earrings today.
Yeah.
हम सबको earrings बहुत पसंद है and we just love how they just bring so much light and so much drama to your face and to your style एकदम से. So together let's find out which type of earrings suit your face shape. Starting with the first face shape, that is the oval face shape.
And that is me, like we've already told you in 3 previous videos. And according to Google and according to every
styling
blogger,
guru,
every stylist out there, oval face shape पे सारे earrings सूट करते हैं. So you can,
तो मतलब every type of hair, every type of sunglass suit their face, every type of hairstyle suit their face,
every type of earrings suit your face, sunglasses. तो जो करना है करो, जो earrings पहनने हैं पहनो, and you can like experiment with all kinds of earrings. You are free to do whatever you want, and that is why we won't be showing you anything because you don't need any advice. आपको जो अच्छा लगे, जो पसंद है वो पहनिए.
So starting with the second face shape, not starting but moving to the second face shape, that is our square face shape. और जैसा कि हम बता चुके हैं कि अगर आपकी स्क्वायर फेस शेप है तो आपकी वर्टिकल लाइन, आपकी हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन, आपकी फोरहेड लाइन और आपकी जॉ लाइन सारी लाइन सिमिलर है थोड़ी सी, हेंस क्रिएटिंग द स्क्वायर लाइक स्ट्रक्चर. So if you are of this face shape, then you should avoid wearing earrings that end around your jawline, क्योंकि वो आपकी jawline को accentuate करेंगे. That will make your jawline look even broader and not very pleasing to the eye. And try and go with earrings that end above your jawline and not below them, because that'll just create volume here and we don't want that. So this is one type of earring that you can go for. These are round because to break away from the squareness of the face, and they are so sleek. मतलब they are not your usual hoops, they are actually sleek. तो ये और ज़्यादा sophisticated और ज़्यादा slim down करते हैं आपके face को. And the second type of earrings are just normal pearl earrings, और ये मैंने choose किए because I wanted to avoid volume around my jawline. And if you are square face shape, then you should do that too. And so these type of.
And coming to the third face shape, which is the heart face shape. और जैसा कि यहाँ पे हमें पता है that your forehead is broader and you have a very defined and very sweetheart kind of a chin, so you don't have a lot of volume in this area. तो आपका basic aim ये है कि आप यहाँ पे volume डालें, and you can do this by getting jewelry that has a lot of volume. For example, जैसे कि मैंने ये golden earrings डाले हैं और आप देख सकते हैं कि ये curved है. So when you wear this, when a person who has a heart shaped face wears this, तो ये उसके face में lower half of the face में काफ़ी ज़्यादा volume add करेगा, which is the entire idea. तो आपकी face को काफ़ी ज़्यादा balance करेगा, and it'll bring the volume from the top of your head to the bottom of your head, again balancing that. और ये सारा earrings का खेल, sunglasses का खेल, it's all about balancing your features and balancing your face shape. So this is why we've chosen this pair जिसमें volume बहुत ज़्यादा है नीचे की तरफ. The second pair that we have are these hoops. These hoops जिन पे danglers लगे हैं. Again, जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं, if I wear this, it adds a lot of volume to the bottom half of my face. Or since they move a lot, so they bring a lot of attention to the chin area.
And a good news here to all the people who are heart face shaped is that you can go for earrings that end at your jawline and also earrings that end around your chin. You can actually opt for those longer big earrings and not just go with studs and छोटे earrings. Moving on to the fourth face shape, that is round face shape, और मैं भी इस category में fall करती हूँ somewhat. I am a round face shape. So I will share my styling tips with you guys, that I always opt for earrings that are a little square shaped or somewhat they have some edge to it, कि बिल्कुल ही ऐसे round ना हो या फिर गोल ना हो, जैसे कि हमने आपको पहले भी बताया है where we showed you all our jewelry collection. At that time also I mentioned that I am a round face shape, so I avoid hoops and all. So the earrings that I tend to lean towards are more square shaped, and I'm going to show you here. Okay, so these are marble sheet earrings and you can see कि ये बहुत rectangle shaped हैं, तो ये मेरी roundness और face की roundness को थोड़ा कम करते हैं. And these golden ones, the second pair also does the same thing. And at the same time they add a lot of element to my styling and a lot of drama. तो ये मेरी स्टाइलिंग टिप्स है जो मैंने आपके साथ शेयर किया, एंड यू गाइस शुड टोटली यू कैन फॉलो दिस विदाउट एनी डाउट बिकॉज दे वर्क रियली वेल फॉर मी.
Yeah, so it's all about breaking the
roundness.
Yeah, it's all
The
about breaking
gola
the
part.
roundness of your face by adding a square element. And similarly for a square face, it's about breaking the squareness by adding a round element. You have to add a bit of an opposite element उसको बैलेंस करने के लिए. Coming to the fifth face shape now, which is the diamond face shape, where the broadest part of your face is this horizontal line, your cheekbones, and you do not have volume on the top and also no volume on the bottom. तो इसमें you have to add volume towards the bottom, like we said before. So you can opt for earrings which are very long और जिनमें बहुत ज़्यादा dangle हो, right? तो इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा dangle हो to break away the monotony of the line and to break that straight line on your face, और थोड़ी volume add करने के लिए. So the basic idea is to add volume towards the bottom again, so you can go for really long earrings and they can accentuate your features. क्योंकि like we told you in the last episode, there are a lot of angles to this kind of a face shape. तो आपका main aim is to break away from all the angles, to break away from all the lines, and to add a lot of roundness to it. So to add the roundness, obviously you're going to pick up some round pair of earrings which would add volume, at the same time also break away from all the angularity in your face.
हम एक और फेस शेप ऐड करेंगे हमारी पूरी फेस शेप्स की लिस्ट में. अगर आप अभी तक बताए हुए किसी भी फेस शेप से रिलेट नहीं कर पाते हैं तो दैट्स प्रोबेबली बिकॉज यू फॉल इन दिस कैटेगरी वेयर योर जॉ लाइन इज ब्रॉडर देन योर फोरहेड लाइन, एंड दिस पार्ट इज अ लिटिल broader and has more volume
and wider.
Yeah, this one is wider than your forehead, so this is also one kind of a face shape called the triangle face shape. और यहाँ पे अगर आप अपने ईयरिंग्स और अपने फेस को स्टाइल करने की बात करते हैं तो आपका गोल यही रहेगा कि आप अवॉइड करें creating a lot of volume towards here. So avoid wearing earrings that go below your jawline and below towards your neck. So I'm going to show you here. So ये जो है ये cuff earrings हैं, जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया, ये नीचे की तरफ नहीं fall करते हैं, ये ऊपर की तरफ आपके ear से attach हो जाते हैं. So that brings a lot of attention towards your forehead line, and that's what we want. And this second type of earring is a stud earring. So these type of earrings are very perfect with the triangle type of face shape because they remain attached to your face, ज़्यादा बाहर की तरफ नहीं निकलते, तो these are very good, and they also at the same time add a lot of drama, काफ़ी अच्छे लगते हैं with your Indian ethnic outfits. So yeah.
Coming to our last face shape, which is the oblong face shape. And oblong face shape पे भी oval face shape की तरह सारे earrings सूट करते हैं. So they can go for all kinds of earrings. They can go for studs, they can go for round dome shaped earrings or long earrings or dangling earrings, because everything would look good on them. But एक छोटी सी tip ये है उनके लिए कि if they're selecting some earrings, they should be a little broader than the ones that the oval face shapes would wear to balance out the longness of the face. So giving here two small examples of those earrings. So this one earring that I have is in copper look, and it's broader than a usual, what do you call it's broader than your usual hoop earrings or your danglers. So it would balance out the broadness. So it would balance out the longness of your face by making it look a little broader and balancing out the length. So these would go really well for oblong face shape. और जो सेकेंड ऑप्शन मैं आपको अब दिखा रही हूँ वो ये है ग्रीन एमरल्ड ग्रीन स्क्वायर शेप्ड इयररिंग्स. अगेन ये भी थोड़े ब्रॉड हैं, ब्रॉडर देन यूजुअल स्टड या ब्रॉडर देन यूजुअल ईयरिंग दैट यू वुड वेयर. सो दीज अगेन वुड बैलेंस आउट द लॉन्गनेस ऑफ द फेस और वॉल्यूम भी थोड़ी ऐड करेंगे आपके साइड में टू मेक इट लुक मोर सिमेट्रिकल. सो दिस इज द सेकेंड पार्ट ऑफ द. So this is the second type of an example that an oblong face shape can go for.
So guys, this was it for today's video.
We hope you guys enjoyed it because we enjoyed making it.
And here today we end the face shape series, face shape sub-series of Find Your Style series.
Yeah, and we will be adding more episodes to Find Your Style main series. So we will be coming with a lot of more tips for you guys abhi bhi. So hang on, stay tuned and do subscribe to the channel.
Like the video, share it and comment down below what did you think and if you're going to use these tips and tricks when you style yourself as you go out. So guys, see you next time. Bye.
Bye.